This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable, disable, and configure the ND filter optimization option on this device. So to start, launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile application and make sure that your drone is connected to it. From here, go into the Hover tab at the bottom, then select the Hover Settings control, scroll the settings down and look for the ND filter optimization. Now open its management page, and here you can select what filter format you'd like to go with, and while selecting whatever actual ND filter optimization you'd like to go for, that will mean that the ND filter optimization is switched on. If you would like to entirely deactivate this feature or this option, just make sure that all available filters here are deactivated, like that. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.